Here's a step-by-step guide to fill your Bali e-visa. Search for Bali e-visa and click on the official e-visa website only. Once on the official page, click on Apply. Start by selecting your nationality. Here, we're selecting India. Now, you'll select your purpose of visit. Click on the first option. Under Sub-Purpose, choose Tourism, Family Visit, and Transit. Under Type of Visa, select the first option, B1 Tourist Visa on arrival. Next, click on Detail and Apply. On this pop-up, click on Apply. Let's start your visa application process. Upload a clear image of the front page of your passport. Upload your passport size photo now. Ensure the photo meets the specifications mentioned on the right. Click on Next to continue your application. Enter your full name as per your passport, given name followed by surname. Choose your gender. Enter the place of birth as per your passport. Enter your date of birth. Type in your phone number. Under the next section, enter your passport number in the document number box. Choose your nationality. Enter the date of expiry of your passport. Enter the name of the passport issuing country. Key in your hotel details in Bali. If you're staying in multiple hotels, enter the details of the first hotel. Select hotel against the residence type question. Enter your hotel address. You can find it on your voucher or get it online. Type the postal code. The page automatically fetches city, village, and district information. Upload your return flight tickets. Upload the front and back page of your passport in a PDF format. Enter your email address and reconfirm it. Your Bali e-visa, once granted, will be emailed to this email address, so please ensure you have double-checked this. Click on Next. Click on Yes on this pop-up. You'll now verify all the information you have entered on the previous screen. Place a check against each of the document or the information you've entered. Check your name once again. You can make edits on this screen. The system automatically picks up the current date. Change this to the issue date as per your passport. When your visa gets issued, it may still show the current date in the issue date section. You can ignore this error. Continue to check other details entered. Sign the declaration after reading all the points above. Click on Save when you're ready. Click on Yes on this confirmation box. Submit your application. You can choose to register or complete the visa submission process as a guest. Click on the Payment button now. You can review your form once again. Proceed with the payment now. Enter your card details and make the payment. The cost of a Bali e-visa is approximately $32 to $35 per application. Look out for an email from the Immigration Department. You should get your e-visa decision within 48 hours. Your e-visa can be downloaded from the email. That's it. Wishing you a super hit holiday to Bali with Pick Your Trail.